Picture this. 89 million people worldwide are betting big on silver coins. ETFs, stocks, the works convinced the bull run will make them rich. But here's the brutal twist most aren't ready for. A massive market purge is looming. Not because silver's doomed, but because the wrong moves at the wrong time will wipe out the unprepared. Seconds. Fortunes could flip, with 80% dumping their holdings in fear, handing over gains to the savvy few. If you're in silver, this could be your wake-up call. Stay tuned, dial. Expose the traps, the triggers, and your escape plan to turn chaos into your biggest win. Let's jump in. Hey everyone, silver's been on fire lately, drawing in crowds from all corners. But with 89 million folks holding some form of its weather physical bars, paper claims, or leveraged plaza storms brewing, not a total collapse, mind you, but a ruthless shakeout that weeds out the weak. Why? Markets don't climb forever without testing resolve. The unprepared chase highs, overextend and crumble when volatility hits, selling low while the prepared scoop up bargains. In the next few minutes, I'll dissect who gets hit hardest, the sparks that ignite the turmoil and tailored survival tactics. Plus, the hard pill no one else is dishing. Silver isn't for everyone right now. If your setups, shaky wrong asset type, too much leverage, or blind faith you're lined up for pain, I'd fix it now and you'll thrive. Quick shout out. If you're tired of knockoff channels stealing real insights, smash subscribe and drop True Silver Guard in the comments. For exclusive charts, risk alerts, and weekly strategy tweaks, check the membership link below. It's where we stay ahead of the curve. First off, silver isn't a monolith. It's a mosaic of markets, each with unique pitfalls like liquidity traps or hidden fees. Those 89 million are scattered across 5 main camps, and not all are built to last a downturn. Let's rank them by danger level. Camp 1. True physical owners with bars or coins locked away in personal vaults or at home. Zero middlemen, pure ownership, you're golden literally. Fluctuations, sure, but no forced sales or broken promises. About 15 to 20 million strong, you'll ride out storms and even add to your hoard on dips. Low risk, high resilience. Camp 2. Buyers awaiting delivery from dealers or holding allocated and unverified spots like IRAs. Sounds secure, but delays or dealer flops could leave you empty-handed. 10 to 15 million here, think they're covered. Yet one supply snag, or insolvency, and poof cash payout instead of metal. Moderate threat. Act fast to confirm and claim. Camp 3. ETF enthusiasts via funds, like SLV. Convenient, but riddled with fine print, gotchas and allocated pools, potential lending out your share. Crises hits. Mass exits could freeze redemptions, forcing cash settlements at lousy rates. 30 to 35 million rely on this paper proxy. It's comfy until it's not. Spike in risk here, time to scrutinize. Camp 4. Mining company shareholders chasing amplified gains. Smart in theory, but layered with extras. Bad management, regulatory hurdles, or market-wide slumps can tank your bet even if silver shines. 15 to 20 million play this leveraged game. Remember, stocks crash harder. High stakes, diversify, or brace for double-digit drops. Camp 5. Derivatives, daredevils, and futures are options. Leverage magnifies everything margin demands, deadlines, sudden wipes. Just 5 to 10 million, yet they're frontline casualties and shakes. If timing's off, you're out cold. Extreme peril. Only for steel-nerved pros. This isn't doomsaying, it's history repeating.
Ow.
Every silver surge has a brutal reset to purge excess froth. With prices soaring from $65 to $95, euphoria's peaking, retail's piling in, and leverage is sky high. Enter the 3 big detonators. Detonator 1. Exchange tweaks, like CME jacking up margins or capping positions. Seen it in 80-11 and beyond. Sudden, costs force sales, snowballing into crashes. Hits derivatives hardest, liquidating overextended traders overnight. Detonator 2. ETF meltdowns from overwhelming redemptions. If physical backing falters least or short, funds halt payouts, sparking distrust. Paper holders scramble, premiums explode on real metal, double whammy for the unprepared. Detonator 3. Broader equity turmoil, dragging miners down. Silver's tied to stocks, 20% S&P dip could have minor values, ignoring silver's own strength. Risk-off moods sell everything, crushing leveraged bets. Worst case, a chain react, margins rise, ETF stutter, markets tank, total mayhem. Liquidity vanishes, prices plunge, days flat. But remember, this purge isn't the finale, it's the midpoint, clearing decks for the true boom. No one sees fits all here. Your playbook hinges on your camp, stack size, goals, and grit. Let's craft one per type. For physical pros, Camp 1, stay put. No calls to answer, just endure the dip. If silver's half your wealth, trim a bit, pre-shake for balance. Hoard cash to snag deals at lows. Turn fear into fortune. Waiting delivery, folks. Camp 2, demand proof now. It's picks shipments. At IRAs to tangible holds. Delay risks a dealer drought. Secure your claim before lines form. ETF crowd. Camp 3, dive into your fund docs allocated. Redeemable. If doubts creep, swap for physical. Even with upfront costs. Can't switch? Spread across funds? Inertia's the enemy, act or regret. Minor shareholders. Camp 4, traders cash out highs now. Volatility's a killer. Long haulers with solid picks, grit through drops, but sell half for dip buying ammo. Win-win. Profits locked, upside intact. Derivatives. Dynamos. Camp 5, slash leverage, ensure buffers for 20% swings. Hard stops mandatory, roll expiries out. If you can't lose it all, bail entirely. House rules favor the cautious. Watch for red flags, margin hikes, redemption halts, VIX over 30, premium drops, or peak hype. 1's a whisper, 3's a roar. Move quick. 3 ways this unfolds. Quick 15 to 20% jolt. Hold, if physical, by dips elsewhere. Grinding 20 to 30% bleed, test conviction, average down. Or cascade 30 to 40% free fall, survive to rebound. Ace plan ahead, losers react, your tasks. Pin your camp, audit risks, define sell points, mentally rehearse $70 silver. History shows 80s and 11 crashes, crush chasers don't repeat. I'm trimming above $90, verifying stacks, dodging leverage, eyeing a 62 90-day window for reset, adapt it. If you're top buying, own it, hold. If bullish, average in on dips, ignore daily noise. Comments time, your camp. Exit plan, $70 reaction. Drop thoughts below. Subscribe for more. Comment True Silver Guard. Join membership for real-time guards. Share to save stacks. The shakeout's a hurdle, not in game. Prep now, profit later. Stay vigilant, build smart, catch you next.